In this video, you'll learn how to find your Outlook password in just a few minutes so you can recover access to your account and get back to managing your emails. First, understand that Microsoft doesn't display your current password for security reasons. If you've forgotten it, the only option is to reset it through Microsoft's official account recovery process, which is fast and secure. Next, open your browser and go to account.microsoft.com. Click on Sign In, then enter the email address linked to your Outlook account. On the password screen, click Forgot Password to start the recovery process. Now, Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity. You'll receive a security code via email, phone, or your Authenticator app, depending on the recovery options you set up when you created your Microsoft account. After that, enter the verification code to confirm it's really you. Microsoft will then let you create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that's easy for you to remember but hard to guess. Once your password is updated, sign into Outlook with your new credentials. Make sure to update your password on any apps or devices where you use Outlook, including your phone, computer, and email clients. And that's it. You now know how to recover your Outlook password and regain access to your account.